All right. What is good to the 550 people that have subscribed to me on YouTube? I just want to say real quick that I apologize for starting the journey to a million in funding challenge and just walking away from it like after the first week. To be totally transparent, so I explained to you guys the plan I was going to do when I first started that, and it was basically trade 3 contracts and then scale up to 4 to finish the challenge off. That was pretty much the gist. But in between my first and second video, I kind of had a realization about the whole prop firm space and how you kind of want to treat those challenges. So what ended up happening was I completely changed my plan, and I was trading 5 contracts instead of 3. So yeah, I had a bad day, 2 bad days, I think. And with 5 contracts, you can blow those accounts pretty quickly. So that's what happened. I bought 2 accounts for that challenge, and I blew both of them pretty quickly. But anyway, while this is happening, crypto is taking off, and I don't think anybody. I've responded to one comment talking about how I've been in crypto, but crypto is pretty much what changed my life. It's what got me into trading, and essentially I kind of took a step back from trading futures and I put all of my focus onto crypto, and I was getting into the pump fund stuff. I was getting into like everything. Obviously, I'm already positioned in crypto, but this is whenever the whole pump fund craze kind of hit, like, I don't want to say mainstream, but the whole pump fund thing kind of like reached me. Basically, I was interested in it. I tried it out. I played around with like a few $1,000, and within like, I want to say 2 weeks, 3 weeks or something, I basically was breaking even on my, like, I was starting that freshly with no knowledge of it. So I was just throwing a few bands at it. Basically lost $1,000 in 3 weeks, which I would say is pretty good. But I took a lot of trades and basically was just messing around with meme coins and doing some other stuff while I was gone. So my last video out to you guys was on October 30th, and I completely stopped trading futures like a few days after that. And I basically took like a month off, and I started back on the 5th of December. And I actually loaded up my first personal account with personal funds. So I've been trading all of December so far with personal funds, not prop firm capital, real money, and that has been going all right. I've basically been trading one e-mini contract, and I haven't been doing anything crazy. I've had some good days. All of my days have been pretty like mediocre, and there's errors that I make too, but essentially I'm up like right around 500. There's my calendar. So it's nothing crazy. It's nothing like really. I'm just kind of testing out the waters on the personal account, seeing if I am affected differently by that. And I definitely am. But yeah, so I do want to say, I feel like that this channel kind of like, I, for one, appreciate everyone who follows me on here, but I wanted to be able to bring more value to the table because I have been trading futures for a year and 1 month officially, which isn't a crazy amount of time by any means, but I feel like I've learned a lot, and I feel like I do have value that I can bring to the table when it comes to reading order flow and mostly bookmap, because I don't know if any of you guys know this, but I only trade using bookmap because my Mac, you can probably hear it right now, like I still haven't gotten a new computer, and I will be getting a new computer soon, but I haven't done that yet. So as soon as I get something that can handle a lot more applications and stuff, then I'll probably add on Sierra and a footprint chart along with the bookmap. But I do feel like using the DOM on bookmap has been working very well for me over the last year. I mean, definitely don't have anything extremely crazy in terms of accolades yet, but I I can definitely get a good read on price action and order flow just by using the heat map and the DOM on Bookmaps. So what I'm saying is I am going to be moving away from the whole documenting my journey on YouTube. I'm going to start documenting my journey more on X. So if you guys want to keep up with my day to day in terms of futures trading and like I guess miscellaneous stuff mainly involving crypto or anything of that nature, follow my X account. That's what I'm going to be doing daily updates on and keeping things transparent as always. But I do want to make my YouTube more of a value based channel instead of like a documentation kind of thing, because I just see so many people doing that, and like it's great to be transparent and everything, but like I really don't feel like I'm providing value. I don't feel like I'm providing enough value as I could be. So what I'm saying is if you are here as an order flow trader, um, I am going to basically be posting probably less, but I will be posting longer videos and more valuable videos on order flow. I'll definitely do like trade recaps, but I am not going to be doing daily. I'm not going to be doing a update on my trading every other day on YouTube, but you can check that on X once I build up a following on there. So yeah, I'm sure you guys know, but like I'm obviously not some guru on the internet when it comes to this stuff, and I don't treat it like that yet. So the fact that I went so long documenting my journey on YouTube that I did, honestly, is very surprising to me that I even did that. But I mean, this isn't something that I rely on by any means. So it's not like I have to be there posting videos. And don't get me wrong, I do enjoy providing value and showing my progress along the way. There's no doubt. But I think I just needed a break. And that challenge I didn't like how I started the challenge and how I changed the way I was going to approach it, like while I was doing it. And I basically just felt like I needed to start fresh and took a little break. So that's the gist of where I have been for the last month. So yeah, appreciate everyone who's followed me on here and whatnot. To the few people who have asked where I've been, that video was for you. And I'm going to make another video right now on my take on prop firms, because I feel like I feel like there's a lot of value in my take. So I'm just going to leave it at that. And that'll be my next one you guys see. But if you guys are still seeing this video, I appreciate you for sticking through my month-long hiatus or whatever you want to call it. If you want to keep up with my daily updates, I'm going to be posting my trade recaps, good or bad, on X, my updates on just what is happening with the futures trading, and I'll probably have a little bit of crypto related tweet or posts on X. So yeah, I hope I said that well enough for myself to edit. We'll see how that goes. All right, peace.